All right, so here's a look at this toilet seat. Now this is gonna be perfect for if you're gonna have it bedside like we have it here. Makes it really easy for them to just grab onto this handle, get up, and then get onto the toilet. So you don't have to worry about them not being able to make it over to the bathroom. But if you wanted to use this in the bathroom, you can also use it as a toilet seat raiser, and I'll show you that here in a second. But let's go ahead and go through some of the features that they've got. So first things first is you've got your toilet seat and your toilet seat cover right here. Nice and smooth, easy to kind of push and slide across. It's also nice because it's not going to slam and make any noise. It's kind of like a soft close toilet seat. Now in the middle, you've got your bucket and you've got your lid. This is what's going to make cleanup really easy because you've got your traditional bucket right here. You throw it down like that and they can go in there. You throw the lid on top and you could easily pick it up and carry it out. But if you wanted to make this even easier, you could add some plastic liners in here or even like plastic bags, and that'll just make the cleanup a lot easier. But I mean, the toilet bowl itself is pretty much smooth, so it's really easy to just wipe it down and clean it out. There's not any grooves or anything like that that's going to make it difficult to clean. So that is the regular function here in the bedroom. Now if we were going to be utilizing this in the bathroom, all you got to do is basically pick it up, put it over the toilet, and now you've got a toilet seat raiser. You could adjust this height however high you want. Right now it's set up kind of on the highest setting. So you've got 8 different options there. So if you want to make it shorter, if your person's a little bit shorter, or if they just don't have as much mobility and they need it to be higher, you can have it up. Now, when you have this above a toilet, of course, there's going to be a little bit of space between here and the toilet itself. So if you don't want them to miss, they also included this splash guard. So this splash guard just sits right in there like that, and it makes it perfect amount to your toilet seat itself. So there's not going to be any chance they're going to make any type of mess. All you're going to have to do is pull this out, clean it out, and then you could throw it back on and it's ready to be used again. Now on the sides, it's got these plastic handles which make it easy for you to grab and kind of use your body weight to pull yourself down. It's also great if you want to kind of sit here and rest for a little bit instead of having your hands down here or on like cold metal. This will actually be like a nice plastic piece that you can rest your arms on. It also has rubber feet down here on the bottom. So if you're using this on tile in the bathroom, if you've got hardwood floors, laminate, anything like that, it's not going to slide around, and it even works great on carpet as well. But I know a lot of people are going to be bringing this between the bathroom and the bedroom all the time. So they've made it really easy. You could just pop out the sides like this. You slide these pieces over. That part's going to go down. And then this will basically go across just like that, making it very easy and a slim profile for you to bring it either from the bathroom to the bedroom to the bathroom, or if you want to bring it to your car, you could also put this in the trunk, lay it down nice and easy, and you can see it's almost flat. So I love the fact that they added that on there. It makes it so much easier because when caring for someone, I know it just takes a lot of effort, and the last thing you want to do is be finicking with this type of stuff. You want to just make it as easy as possible for yourself. So I like the fact that they made that foldable. You could easily just put it away. And yeah, overall, this is a great toilet. I feel like it's got a lot of functionality, a lot of adjustability. So if you're looking for a toilet bedside or a toilet raiser in the bathroom to make your life easier, I would definitely recommend picking one up, trying it out, and seeing if it works for you.